YouTube friends, welcome back. If you are new here, I do invite you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos and tutorials. And in today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make the pizza right from scratch, and it's so easy to do right at home. And all you're going to need are the ingredients pictured here: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and lastly 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You want to incorporate all of your ingredients, and once it all comes together, then you can go ahead and start kneading your dough. And here you see me adding in the last bit of that tablespoon of oil, and then continue to mix before kneading my dough to get that smooth round shape. Friendly reminder, if your dough sticks to your surface, you definitely want to spread additional flour just on that surface all around. I didn't need to because it was working with me just fine, so it worked out. But here I am adding that additional oil over it just to coat it all around before setting it into my mixing bowl and covering that with cling wrap. And definitely I recommend set in a dry, warm place to allow that yeast to activate. Okay, at this point I am ready to set my dough in the mixing bowl. I allowed about 45 minutes roughly for this dough to rise double in shape, but you just want to keep an eye on it. Again, you want to just cover it with cling wrap and then put just a kitchen towel right over it for that additional warmth. And here I am just forming that round shape. Of course, you can use the regular size rolling pin. That works just fine too. But at this point, I'm just coating this with my pizza sauce just all around. And then I topped with mozzarella cheese. And you can get as creative as you want with it. It's your very own pizza. So, in the past, I've made Hawaiian pizza with ham and pineapple. I have made like the work style, which it's all of the ingredients in one. I mean, like sausage, bell peppers, red onions, pepperonis, just everything that you can think of on one pizza, and that one was really good. So this time I went with just a regular pepperoni pizza with the giant pepperoni slices from Fry's. That's what I work with, since that is what I had. But with this recipe, you'll definitely want to just bake this pizza at 500 degrees just for 8 minutes. That is all you need, 8 minutes, and you'll have fresh pizza right in the comfort of your home. And this is how my pizza came out. Super cheesy and delicious. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.